Homeowners, let me be honest with you. If you choose to go with traditional paint, I hate to tell you, you're gonna be getting screwed because the product is inferior. You see, traditional paint, if you go to a big box store right now and you buy a 5-gallon bucket of paint, 60% of that 5-gallon bucket is water. All of these companies are doing, they're just adding different types of clay fillers, plasterizers to absorb some of the water. This is why homeowners have to repaint every 3 to 5 years, depending on their pride of ownership, okay? That paint is chipping, flaking, peeling, blistering, and it's fading terribly. Here at Rhino Shield, our product, a 5-gallon bucket of Rhino Shield's product, only 21% of that product is water. One of the main ingredients that we use are the 3M ceramic microspheres. What that does is that's going to reflect the ultraviolet rays away from your house. So down here in the South, your house is going to stay cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. It also soundproofs your home. Comes with a Class A fire rating. We add elastomerics. We also put different type of additives. We put a mildewcide in our product to prevent future mold and mildew. We have titanium dioxide. That's a fancy word for a sunscreen. So all of these additives is what guarantees the Rhino Shield for 25 years against flaking, chipping, peeling, and blistering, and even fading. This is why Rhino Shield is who we are today. This is why I'm one of 42 dealers, not only in the United States, but we have dealers internationally. The product is phenomenal. There's nobody else that has a ceramic coating. At Rhino Shield, all of our colors are custom tinted. We wait before we get started until we have the manufacturer tint the product to your color. Unlimited colors, whether it's a traditional white or a dark gray, it just doesn't matter. Homeowners, facts don't lie. If you choose to go with an exterior traditional paint for your residence or your office building, you're gonna be screwed. What I need you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna share with you all of my experience in the home improvement arena.